Hi guys, it's Nunu and we're here in English 127 Creative Writing. We are in week 7 in modules, March 18th through the 24th. This week we have discussion 5. We have Curtis Sittenfeld and Joyce Carol Oates, two great female writers. Speaking of great writers, female and male, I really enjoyed your flash fiction stories last week in the poetry. It was really a treat for me. So thank you for that. Okay, so as you know, Modules is our Bible to the classroom. It contains all of our assignment directions, all of our readings. I can click on Modules here to get into week 7, or I can click on this handy link I've created down here, and I'm going to click on this link. Okay, so that takes me into week 7, into discussion 5. If you have any questions or concerns about this assignment, if you need to chat with me, please email me here in inbox, and you're never bothering me when you email me. You're never emailing me too much. And something I wanted to remind you about is that I do have Conferzoom and office hours in general classroom building 210D. They're from 12 to 2 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays, except for holidays, and Conferzoom is right here. Okay, and my office is 210D. All right, let's have a great week.